Okay, so we're on our way to the Palm Beach Boat Show and downtown Palm Beach. We're gonna go see our Saba. Well, not our Saba, a Saba.
Similar model, we think. Downtown Palm Beach.
Yeah, you said that already. Yeah, nothing to say, huh?
The Palm Beach International Boat Show is one of the largest boat shows in the country. This year, its 33rd year, it boasted over $1.2 billion worth of boats. You could even buy your own personal submarine for all those treasure hunting adventures. Speaking of useless and overpriced toys, you could purchase one of these flyboards for the low price of way too much. But we weren't at the boat show to buy a hoverboard. We were here for a sailboat. This is the Fountaine Pajot Saba 50. We have ordered one, expected to be delivered in 2019, hopefully. And when we heard there was going to be one at the boat show this year, we jumped at the chance to see our future boat. Heading into the starboard hull are two guest cabins with queen-size berths and private heads for each of them. Up in the bow of this model is also a crew cabin. Heading back, you can see on the left is the door to the head for this stateroom. Lots and lots of closet and storage space everywhere on this boat. Heading back up to the main salon, we have a ginormous galley with an island, table outside for 8. There's the nav station with plenty of seating. You can either get a coffee table or another table that lifts up right there. Then down into the porthole is the master stateroom. In this model, there's also another guest stateroom, but in the one we're getting, this entire porthole is going to be one giant room with a fairly large head, shower, and lots of storage space. We shall call her the Super Saba. Again, this is the third guest cabin on this model with its own private head and shower up front. Lots of room all the way around the bed, drawers underneath the bed. And we're heading back. Here is the master head with separate shower room, sink, and then the toilet is in the room to the right. Up on deck at the Helm station, everything is set up so that the boat can be sailed right from the wheel. All the lines and winches lead back to the wheel. Everything you need is right there, and even your guests can sit up next to you. This is a really well thought out boat, and we're really excited to start sailing her. Up on the bow, there's even more seating. It's a great place to sit out in the morning and enjoy your coffee or to dolphin watch. And back in the cockpit is a beautiful teak table with seating for 8. Everything you need to enjoy the ocean and the sun right there. Well, that's it for the Saba for now, but hopefully soon we'll be giving you a tour on our own Saba. In the meantime, enjoy these videos of what could quite possibly be the most useless boat I have ever seen. A dolphin submarine jumping contraption. That's it. You saw it. That's all it does. Here it comes again. Oh, yep. That's the whole point of that boat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time.